Hello, baby people. This is Marcus, and today we're actually opening a brand new OnlyFans account. So I'm just going to show you what it looks like under the hood for those of you who have never had one. This tutorial is probably not, wouldn't even call it a tutorial, but this video is probably not that important to most of you who are already running accounts. But there's two reasons why I'm doing it. One is because we've had a lot of people interested in signing up lately, and I just want to be able to show them what it's like under the hood. You know, the craziest thing about OnlyFans is that you can't really get into their site at all. You can't even see anything or search for anyone if you don't have an account. And with the popularity that's been blowing up this summer because of, endless things like Bella Thorne and whatnot, so many people are just kind of curious. And so I'm just going to give a little bit of just going to show you what it looks like when you sign up, in case you want to sign up just to be a fan. You don't even have to sign, even to be a fan, you need to sign up through this process. If you're a model, that's a whole nother story. But anyway, that's the one reason. The second reason is because we are launching a new project. I don't know if anybody's seen this on the site yet, but we're basically launching this project that's going to be called Making an OnlyFans Star. And what we're looking for is one model that we're going to work very close with for 3 months, and we're going to do everything we can to make this one model a star, earning big and, getting them some influencer fame and really blowing them up. So, and the reason we're doing this is because of the popularity that there's been recently. We've had like 100-something people sign up recently that just sign up, poke around. They don't ever really get engaged. They ask a few questions, and it's taken up a lot of time of me and a few of the Bevy's model managers. And we're not saying there's anything wrong with that, but what I really want to do is pick one model and focus on them. I'll probably push a lot of my other models over to one of the other model managers so I can really focus on this project. And then the cool thing about this is I'm gonna document the whole process. So from like start to finish, I'm gonna document how we took someone from nothing and built them up. We're gonna give it 3 months. I know I can do this in 3 months, and even on the slight chance that we fail at this, what we get to see is where we failed and why we didn't get to the goals we wanted to reach. So if you're interested, we almost picked someone where we had a bunch of submissions, but we still haven't decided who we're going to pick. We're looking for a specific type of person, that we're not just looking for anyone. We're definitely looking for someone who's dedicated to the project, that's going to, dedicate a good portion of their time to working with me on this. So you have to be dedicated, you have to be focused with some drive, and we definitely want someone with some charisma, because charisma and style, there's a lot of competition out there right now, and I feel like to get this off the ground and to really show the ins and outs and the pros and cons of using OnlyFans, that it's going to work best with someone who we select and think can really do it. So if you're interested, there'll be a link in this post about where you can go find and submit, but I'd say get on it quick, because like I said, I'm hoping by the end of the week to pick someone. I have like 5 or 6 people that I'm really close to choosing one of them. The other thing is once I get the one person up and running, I'm going to pick someone else and do it again, and we're going to make this a series, like Making an OnlyFans Star series. So look out for that. But the whole thing is going to be, I'm going to use this brand new account to do any tutorials to show them what they need to be doing, or if they have questions. This is basically going to be my account, and then I'm going to post a bunch of the information that I use to help this one model get big. I'm going to post it all here so you can actually follow this this whole process. So it could be kind of fun. Anyway, let's sign up for an OnlyFans account. Put your you can use your Twitter, you can use your Google. I'm not using them. I'm going to use one of my email addresses from thebevyvip.com. I already put my password in, and then it says log in, but if you look here in the small text, it says sign up. And so if we click that, then it's going to ask for a name. I'm pretty sure I'm just going to put, I'm sure we can change this, but making a star is going to be, that should be fine. I don't think they're actually looking for my name. I think I can put that in later. By signing up, you agree. And let's see if we hit sign up. There we go. Oh, I'm not a robot. Let's see, parking meters. 1, 2, 3 parking meters. Verify. Sign up. Boom, we are in. All right, please verify your email address. So I'm going to do that, verify my email address, go to settings and all that. But what we could do is take a quick look at the menu here. Obviously, my profile is going to be your profile, and this is where you're going to start that. You can even link your Spotify account. It's kind of one of these ways of displaying your style, and it's all about connecting with the people who are your fans. Bookmarks. When you're looking through, this is more so for fans than it is for models. But basically, when you're looking through the people you're following, you can bookmark some of their posts and keep them, whether they're photos, videos, whatever, and keeping track of some of the things you like. Same thing with lists. The cool thing about lists for a model is that you can see your fans that are following you, and you can see who's paying, who's not, who's paying the most. They have ways of like awarding the people who have been tipping you the most and stuff like that. So that's lists. What else do we have? Settings is obviously the whole list of settings, right? And so this is where you're going to change your profile, put your website URL if you have one. Your Amazon wish list is pretty cool. That's where followers or fans can buy you things that are on that list, and it's pretty great because it's anonymous, so they won't see your address or anything. They just basically buy stuff off that list. It then gets sent to you without them seeing who you are and where you live. Pretty cool. This is where you're going to set your subscription price, and I'm going to have another tutorial that's going to show the 3 different ways you can set up your account, whether it's a free account, a paid account, or running 2 free accounts. It's kind of a long debate that I have constantly with a lot of our models, but I'll explain what I think is the best. Obviously, every model is going to choose whatever they want, but yeah, so that's what that is. But in order to add to start making money, you need to add all your payment information. So then you go to your account. This is where you can connect your Twitter, your Google. This is your username, which you'll change to something interesting besides a string of numbers. Login sessions is cool because it'll show you, where you're logging in from, what your IP address is and whatnot. I guess I got to blur that out now that I just clicked that. I don't want people knowing my IP. But there's a good way to make sure that no one's hacking your account. Your password, and if you want to delete your account, is there. Notifications, you're going to set all this up once you get your email address set in, and it's going to say notify you when you get messages, blah blah blah, a bunch of different notifications you can set. Your security, once again, once you verify your account and set your bank accounts up, you're going to have a whole bunch more options in all these, but we're just going through the quick list of things. Some stuff about streaming, about privacy, what's new. This cracks me up. It's like they post something in February. Before that was December. It's like they're barely posting anything in here. One of the things I say about OnlyFans is like there's just very little documentation about how to even use their site. So that's where we step in. If you have any questions, you go to our forums. I don't know if you guys seen that. We started forums recently. There's a members forum. You can sign up for free right now. We have any of the VIP models, the models that have signed up with the bevy using our links. You obviously get a lifetime subscription, and there's even a forum in here that's about getting started in their tutorials, and that's where I'm going to post most of my tutorials. I want my models to see them first, and I want them to succeed because I'm spending my time with them. That doesn't mean I'm not going to help anyone. If you have questions about any of this, you can just post in the OnlyFans forum or the AVN Stars forum, and I'm going to do my best to get back to you as soon as I can. But the idea is to build a community. community of working models and people who are interested in signing up. So it's free right now, and sign up for free, get a bronze membership. You get access to everything except for the getting started tutorials, which if you're a VIP model, someone who signed up with our links, you sign up for the diamond membership, and then you get access to everything. Anyway, there's my blatant self-promotion right there. Your cards are going to be more so for fans who are putting their card in so they can add credits and so they can tip models. So you can set that stuff up. You can see your payments and stuff like that. Your bank. This is super important. Add your bank as soon as you can. The first thing you need to be doing is verify your account, adding your bank, and then verifying your age and who you are and stuff like that. Just so you know, you cannot get paid from OnlyFans until you have everything verified. I'll tell you a quick story about one of the earlier models that I had, and we got her account all set up and she was doing great. Like, we were growing it. It took like less than a month. She was making a few $1,000s, I think, even in the first month. But the biggest issue was like she had trouble getting verified, and I think, you know, that really deterred from a lot of things. So you want to, before you even get too deep into this, get your email verified, get your identity verified to prove that you're 18, and you have to add your tax information. This is a legit business. If you're planning on making some real money on this platform, it's got to be tracked. It's like that. I don't know why people think that, you know, they don't trust this company or they don't want to give their information, because you're going to have to put in your driver's license, and you're going to have to give your personal information to this company. It's a legit company. Don't worry about that. But it has to happen. Otherwise, don't bother signing up. Help and support, you know, you can write in, ask questions. I guess they have a bit of tutorials here. I don't know. Maybe I should go through this again. It's been a long time. When I first started working with models, there was not much in here. So maybe it's good. Maybe there's some pretty good new stuff in here. So I'm going to go through this actually soon. Maybe I'll learn a thing or two. And then you can file a support ticket. Just know, if you file a support ticket, it could take them a few days. It could take them 2 weeks to get back to you. And that was like months ago when I was asking them questions. It took them forever to get back to me. You know, as opposed to like AVN Stars, which is less than 24 hours. So if you have questions, obviously you want to ask them, but you can also ask us at the Bevy, and we'll do our best to answer you from our knowledge. And you'll get a much quicker response from us than you will them. Yeah, let's see what else we have. So that's basically it. Dark mode. I like dark mode. I usually keep all my sites in dark mode. I just can't take the big white bright lights. So say your language, and then you can log out. That's the basic rundown. On the top bar here, now I'm on a desktop. It looks a little different on the phone, although there isn't an app. Don't look for an app. You won't find one. The way you access it on your phone is you set up like a link on your main page that you can click it and it logs you in, and it's just a little clunky. I know it's a huge company. You'd think they'd have a freaking app. Something else to say about the search functions. You know, unless you know a model's name, you can't really search for much. So there's no explore feature in here, and that's why external promotions is so important with OnlyFans. You have to promote yourself. There's very few people, you know, no one's gonna find you just by surfing OnlyFans. Like, you have to promote externally, and you know, we have methods of that, and I'll be posting more about marketing and how you can, you know, get your profile out there. This is your notifications tab. The second one here, this is where you post. If you click that, this is how you make a post. This is your messages. I don't have any messages or contacts yet, but you know, this is where your messages will show up, and then you're back to your profile. So yeah, so there you go. That's basically what it looks like under the hood for a person. You know, we can check, where was that? Let's click on one of these people here. Okay, so this is what someone's page looks like. Last seen an hour ago. It's a free subscription. Follow for free. See, people who have a lot going on will still have free follows, and I can explain about how that goes. Subscribe. Yeah, So this is what I mean about, let's say I'm a new person and I'm looking for someone to follow on OnlyFans. If I came to this person's page and this wasn't for free, why would I follow this person? I can't see any of the posts. This is why I'm always saying you have to have some content that's visible. You have to have some lock content that you sell. So just keep this in mind. Just think about what if you were someone looking for a model to follow. What would I'm not going to follow this model just because of this banner or this. I'm going to follow them because of the content they post that I can see. So anyway, that's my ramble rant for that. Okay, that's all I'm going to do for today. If you have questions, don't hesitate to ask. You can go to our forums and ask me anything you want. I'm probably going to post this on YouTube or whatever. There's no risque content in it. But yeah, if you're interested in being part of this new Making a Star, go to our website. You can find it on the bottom. If you go all the way to the bottom and click Making an OnlyFans Star, or you can find it in the model portal, I believe. Yeah, Making an OnlyFans Star. That'll take you to the sign up page. There's also a blog post about it on our blog. It's on our Reddit. It's kind of all over the place. But get on it quick. I'm picking someone pretty quickly, and yeah, this is the blog post. And we're going to get started now. Once I get this person up and running, whoever she is, the whole idea is that they don't need my assistance. We're just pushing them, getting them big. We'll promote them, work with their content, how they're selling their content, get their account just flowing. And then I'm just going to move on to the next person. And I'm going to continue going down that list. So just submit yourself if you're the kind of person that is dedicated, driven. And I'm not saying don't open your OnlyFans account without us doing it, but if the timing is right, it should be good. One of the things you're going to have to do is use our affiliate links or use our referral links to open that account, because we're putting in that time. We're not taking any money from the model. Everything the model makes is 100% theirs, with the exception of the 20% cut that OnlyFans always takes from models. So the way it works is you make your money, you get your cut. We don't touch that. We make 5% out of the 20% that is already taken out of your money from OnlyFans. So it's in our best interest to push this person and make them a star so we can make our money off of it. So we're definitely looking for more models, but if you are interested, you should sign up with our links. You can find all our links under new model sign up on our website. And website's running a little slow right now. Sorry about that. We're working on it. There's so much new content, and then new model sign up benefits. You can read a little bit about what we do for you, but basically you'll get into the forum. We'll be here for you to answer your questions, and we're gonna try to promote you the best we can. You're still gonna have to do the work. Don't think you're not gonna do the work. I mean, this is like my biggest thing. They just don't think they need to do the work. So sign up now. You hit that. You just go through the whole process. Our links are in there. You can find our links on Reddit. Our links are all over the place. So sign up with our links, and then you'll get the most support that pretty much anyone's giving to any models on there. We mostly focus on our VIP models. We've been helping a lot of people who didn't sign up through us, just because we're trying to spread the word that we're good people and want to make everyone successful, because we feel that we're all in this together. Anyway, I'm going to shut up now. Have a good night. Send us your questions. Follow us. And if you're a fan and you want to see how we're going to make someone blow up on OnlyFans, yeah, give us a follow. Peace.